Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Your search ends here for the perfect home located at Hall Boulevard, St. Andrew. Is this beautiful landscaped and move-in ready house for sale? It comes with 3 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms. It sits on 0.13 acres of flat land and is full of charm and loads of space. Centrally located with easy access to just about anywhere. This is perfect for a starter home or ideal for a growing family. This house is rare, modern, and has clean finishes. It also comes with a eat-in kitchen, open concept living and dining, with recessed lighting, laundry room, and an enclosed garage. Do not wait to make your appointment to view because this home will not be on the market for long. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. asking price for this house is US 560,000 or Jamaican $86.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.